Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Star Paper Mills. The stock is very good at technicals and the company is also doing good. So it's a good stock to go along. Now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. Before moving to the technical chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately. So now let's move to the monthly chart. Before analyzing a chart, one should understand the nature of the chart. So the stock on listing was at the price range of 4 and the stock gave a fantastic return by rising to the price range of 100, which is a multi-bagger return that produced by the stock. And after a such rally, the stock once again came to the price range of 7, which is almost 4. So the stock wiped out all the gains that made here. So those who have invested here at the price range of 100 would lost almost 96% of its wealth. And once again the stock took its rally from that price range and to the price range of 300, which is almost once again a multi-bagger return. It's actually a 2300% return, unimaginable returns for other asset classes to produce in such a short term. So the stock once again took a downtrend here, but the stock is quite bullish right now. And look at the volumes in green. The green volumes usually shows the bullish presence. So the stock also very good technical follower. So one can go long in the stock. Let me draw the major support and resistance line that govern the stock. So this zone can be taken as the major support and resistance zone, which is a confluence area, and the stock is quite bullish in monthly chart. So let's move to the weekly chart to analyze the chart further. So this is the weekly chart. The chart shows a good technicals because look at the candles here. The candle lost its stuff here. So the candle was in a small range bound market and the stock was quite manipulated here. After a small consolidation, the stock started rallying, but it's a fake rally. And look at the tops here. It's almost 5 weeks of distribution. Look at the distribution here. Every time after a distribution, the stock may fall or the stock may take it as a consolidation and rise. So how to find a distribution zone is a big question. So a simple tip to understand distribution and accumulation zone is whenever a stock hits a distribution zone, there the power of the buyers will be very low. The power of bulls is almost zero because look at the wicks on upper side here. So the stock was pulled up to the price range of 319, but it was vanished by the act of bears. So after a good distribution, the stock started falling and it's actually a free fall. Look at the green candles. The green candles are here and there, and the candles are very strict trend following because the bears are very strong in this segment, which is around 2018 to 2019. The bears are very strong in the stock, and now the stock is quite bullish because the stock is near the major confluence area. Look at the zone. The zone was respected by both bears and bulls, and the stock is reacting to the same price range for more than 5 times. So this can be taken as the major resistance for the stock. The stock is currently bullish, so one can go long in the stock even at the current market price, or one can consider the stock to consolidate a bit more within the range of 134 to 154, which is a small tight range, so that the stock will perform well after the breakout from such range. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze the price target. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately. So let me remove all these noises in this chart. So this can be taken as the major trend line that govern the stock. So the stock is currently trying to pull out from the range and the bulls are trying hard or struggling hard to bring the stock out of the range, but the bears are also very good in the stock. so they are trying to pull back to the same zone. But I think the stock will come out from this range because the bulls are very eager and the volumes here are increasing and the volumes in the sell zone is decreasing here. So it's a good sign for going long, and one should take entry only above the price range of 160 because 160 can be taken as the entry for a long term. For a short term, one can take at current market price and take 160 as the target. So it may act as a major resistance for the stock, and consider going long in the stock at current market price also. The stock is very good and the overall paper industry is good to go long because the sector itself gave a breakout from a long term range. So it's good to go long in the stock and take entry above the price range of 160 for long term. So this can be taken as the major resistance zone. This zone should be broken for going long in the stock, and the stock also shows a inverted head and shoulder pattern. So inverted head and shoulder pattern may give a target of dip of the head, so one can consider it also, but one can take 220 as a target after taking the entry above the 160 price range, and one can take entry at current market price and can expect a price range of 160 as a target, which is very short term, and the stock is very good and going long in the stock is also very good. So one can consider going long term and for short term also. So if you like the video, hit like button and subscribe to our channel, and finally thank you for watching our videos.